First, we have these incredible lizard embossed leather sandals. They spiral around the feet and they just look absolutely incredible on. They're 5 inches tall and you honestly feel like a bad bitch the whole time you're wearing these. They're super comfortable. The fit is true to size. These are size 40 and I usually wear a 39. So I would say take your size unless you have a thicker foot, in which case it is good to size up. Next, we have these incredible metallic green sandals. These are honestly, they're effortlessly sexy. They're very classy. They're a mule style and they have a thong in between the toes, so they'll be sure to keep on. Honestly, I think that these are easy to dress up, easy to dress down, and they give you a little bit of mystery and just intrigue because they're so simple and so dainty. You can go dancing with these. You can just enjoy yourself without a care in the world. Now, these pink sandals are a stunner. They look absolutely beautiful. As you can see, they glitter in the light. Those rhinestones are really beautiful, but the pink fuchsia satin is just a standout color. I think you can wear these with anything you like, but they really shine in the evening time. They're called the evening sandal or the night out sandal, I believe. And when you have these on, you feel like Rihanna. My only gripe is the thong in between the toe is very thick. So a quick note before we continue, I noticed that all of the shoes in this video are listed as gone forever on the FENTY website. So if you would like to purchase any of the shoes that did not fit, I will put them up on my website, MissSuber.com, which I will link in the description box below, and you can have them for yourself. None of them have been worn since we're in quarantine, and they are all absolutely beautiful. The black Affair pumps are incredibly sexy, incredibly beautiful on the foot. I think there's no denying that any woman wearing this shoe is going to own the room. My only gripe with these is that the ankle part doesn't really hug your foot. So if you have a thinner ankle like me, these may not be the shoes for you. Otherwise, gorgeous. Now, these yellow sandals are incredibly beautiful. I think these are like the goddess of the sun sandals. When you put these on, they're so dainty and delicate around the foot. They have this beautiful gold heel and this pointed toe box that makes you feel like you are the most beautiful person in the room. And I think in a shoe, that's all you want. That's all you want. Last but not least, we have these Affair pumps in the nude. These are, honestly, you feel like the spirit of Rihanna is infused into these pumps. And I think when you feel like Rihanna, it's not that you feel like the person, but you feel like the best, sexiest, boldest version of yourself. This color looks incredibly good on brown girls. And again, you're going to own the room in these. Perfect. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Give me a comment below and let me know what other videos you would like to see, and be sure to subscribe for all of my new videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.